Hi kids! This is Teacher MJ. Today, we will learn about the sound and the things that begin with the sound of k, C. Are you ready? Let's begin! This is Katina Cat. Katina Cat says k, C. Can you do it with me? One more time. Katina Cat says k, C. Good job. Next, let's identify the things that begin with the sound of k, C. Here we go. Cat, coat, cake, camel, caterpillar, candle, cow, car, crayons, carrot, cup, clock, corn, cloud, and candy. Good job! Thank you so much for listening and watching. See you again!